Scenario analysis is a powerful tool in strategic planning. It helps us to increase our understanding of future possibilities, identify potential changes in our economies, societies, and the common environment, build consensus for necessary changes, and manage risk effectively. Let's take a look at how we can leverage scenarios in our planning processes. Scenarios are detailed descriptions of possible future states and developments of the system. They are not mere predictions. They describe how different elements might interact and evolve over time, providing us with a comprehensive overview of possible future pathways. The use of scenario analysis to support planning has rich history that began with military strategy exercises. During the Cold War, the RAND Corporation in the USA developed a scenario-based techniques to address complex and uncertain futures. In the specific field of energy planning, the 1973 oil embargo further started the need for energy system modeling, a spark that then led to the widespread adoption of energy modeling through various scenarios for planning in the energy sector, as well as in many other fields. There are three main types of scenario, each exploring different aspects of the future. Probable, what is likely to happen. Possible, what could happen. Preferable, how can we achieve a specific target. Each type helps us approach future planning and modeling from a different angle, ensuring a comprehensive strategy. Let's explore the three types of scenarios using example from the International Energy Agency. Probable scenario. This is best represented by the stated policy scenario. It shows the most likely future trajectory based on the current policies and measures already implemented in the country or region being analyzed. In other words, it depicts the evolution that the energy system would follow based on the policies currently in place. Possible scenario. The announced policies scenario, APS, falls into this category. It outlines potential outcomes if announced policies are successfully implemented. This scenario is possible because it incorporates existing technologies that are already available in the market. Preferable scenario. The net zero scenario is an example of preferable scenario. It is characterized by the fact that it targets achieving net zero emission by 2050, which is crucial for mitigating climate changes. Unlike STEPS and APS, NZE includes not only current technologies, but also those still at the prototype stage. This scenario helps identify the most cost-effective technological solutions to reach the ambitious goal of net zero emissions. Given the ambitious target, it is essential to consider innovative solutions that might not yet be available on the market. It is also possible to observe how the first two scenarios differ structurally from the last one. The first two are also called forward-looking scenarios or policy pathway in, outcome out scenarios, in which a set of constraints, the policies, is modeled, and the effect on the evolution of the system it is observed. The third one is also the so-called backward-looking scenario, or outcome in, policy pathway out, because it sets a target in this case net zero emission by 2050, and derives, as a result, the needed policy pathways to achieve it.